Poof, just like this, gone. Just checking the sound, guys. I don't know if you can hear me well because it's way too windy today in my town and very cold as far as you can see. But anyway, I'm here today to teach you a great phrase. I think it's gonna be pretty useful for you. So let's see. Hey everyone, have you ever heard someone say there is a snowball's chance in hell? Sounds pretty wild, right? Well, today we're going to break it down, and trust me, it's going to be a cool explanation. Cool, hell, pun intended here. So, what does it mean? Let's start with the basics. Imagine a perfect snowball. Mine isn't very perfect, sorry, but let's imagine it is, okay? It's round, cold, and ready for action. But what happens if you take the snowball and toss it into a place as hot as, let's say, hell? What's going to happen to this snowball? It's going to melt instantly. Poof, just like this, gone. So this phrase is used when we're speaking about something that has no chances of happening. Okay, it has zero chances of happening.
Well, it's a snowball's chance in hell.
You don't have a snowball's chance in hell wearing that thing.
So basically, this is the idea behind this phrase. Because, like, seriously, what are the odds or what are the chances of a snowball surviving in a hot place like hell? Zero chances, right? There is a snowball's chance in hell. Now let's look at some real life examples for you to see how this phrase works in a conversation. Let's keep on walking, by the way. Imagine you've got this friend who says, I'm going to win the lottery tonight, but they didn't even buy a lottery ticket. What are you going to say? You're going to laugh and say, oh, come on, there is a snowball's chance in hell of you winning the lottery. Or let's imagine another friend of yours says, I'm going to outrun a cheetah. And you say, oh, it's going to be a tricky task, you know, because you're going to compete against the fastest animal on the planet, if I'm not mistaken. So you're going to say, there is a snowball's chance in hell of you outrunning a cheetah. It's the fastest animal on the planet, unless you have some rocket shoes or something. Or one more situation. Imagine your 10-year-old sibling saying, I'm going to eat 50 hot dogs in under 10 minutes. What are you going to say? Sure, you're going to laugh and say, there's a snowball's chance in hell of you finishing all those 50 hot dogs in under 10 minutes. Now, here's something cool. This phrase has been widely used in American English, also Canadian English, for over 100 years. So I think it's well worth learning it. I'm not sure if it's common and widely used in British English. I think not, but don't quote me on that. What I like about this phrase is that it transmits this vivid picture of something that is impossible or very unlikely to happen. There is a snowball's chance in hell of something happening. By the way, this phrase is often used in its negative form. There isn't a snowball's chance in hell, which means exactly the same thing, but emphasizes impossibility even more. Both forms are correct. And if you're wondering how to say this phrase in Spanish, I think there isn't an exact match. So if you have a great alternative in mind, leave it down in the comments, okay? And let me know, because to be honest, I am a bit lost how to translate this phrase into Spanish so that it conveys the same meaning, the same idea, the same picture. I would say something like ni de broma, not even as a joke, right? Ni de broma. But maybe there are some better alternatives, some better explanations, some better translations of this phrase. So if you know one, let me know down in the comments, all right? And there you have it. next time someone says there is a snowball's chance in hell, you'll know that they are talking about something that is just not going to happen, okay? Something impossible. By the way, if you can come up with your own fun examples of using this phrase, there is a snowball's chance in hell, please, you're welcome to share them in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you like my content, and stay tuned for more awesome phrases, vocabulary, grammar explanations, because I can't promise you guys that I'm going to make a lot of videos, a lot of content in the near future, but at least I promise you to do my best. I promise to make as much content as I can, all right, as possible. Anyway, I hope you've been doing great. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. I'm back home and I can't literally feel my fingers. It's really cold outside. But anyway, I'm doing it for the sake of your learning. And now, on a serious note, guys, I really wanted to ask you for a small favor. Could you please give this video a like and also leave a comment? I don't know, it doesn't have to be a long comment, just a few words saying that you enjoyed the video, that you want to see more similar videos in the future, because YouTube algorithms have never worked in my favor. And to be honest, you know, making videos and dedicating a lot of time every single week and not getting any views, or just, you know, getting like 50 or 100 views is kind of frustrating. So it would mean a world to me if you left a comment and gave this video a like. You would help immensely, I promise. Thank you so very much. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. All right, bye guys.